Kimmy missed. Wait, I can't. I wonder if you could tell that they must don't have snow in Jamaica because he really enjoying himself. I've never seen nobody do jiu-jitsu in the snow.
I think my butt is ice to the ground.
Get up! You can't stay down there.
I'm stuck.
All y'all gonna need inhalers. You better make more snowballs. That's what he doing.
Help me.
All right, let's go in the house with you today.
No. It's game time.
Yeah, but...